Think about having the ability to cure people using what nature gives us. That's what an Ayurvedic doctor does. Learning about the ancient practice of Ayurveda requires a mix of special skills and abilities, coming from different parts of the brain and personality types. We're going to talk about 5 important parts of the brain and the DISC personality model. First up, we have the R1 part of the brain that helps us understand ourselves, our thoughts and feelings. For example, a good Ayurveda expert would use this ability to know their own strengths and weaknesses, improve their skills, and add valuable knowledge to Ayurveda. Next is the L1 part of the brain, which helps us understand people's wants, goals, and plans. An Ayurveda expert with a strong L1 can treat patients from all sorts of different backgrounds. The third important part is the R2, which helps us with logical thinking. This includes being able to do calculations, making guesses, and understanding math. This skill is very important for diagnosing and treating, and an Ayurveda scholar would show logical thinking by studying old Ayurveda texts and using that knowledge today. The fourth part, the L2, is for creative visualization. This lets us picture things accurately in our minds, thinking with images. In Ayurveda, this is necessary to picture the big picture of health and understand how the body, mind, and spirit are all connected. A creative Ayurveda might use this to create new health programs. Finally, the R5 part of the brain is for detailed observation. This helps us notice and understand even the smallest details, a very important skill for diagnosing and treating patients in Ayurveda. An Ayurveda expert good at observing can spot the smallest signs and symptoms in patients. Let's talk about the DISC personality system. You'll often find that Ayurvedic doctors have the S, or steadiness personality trait. These folks are cool, patient, predictable, and careful. They are good listeners and understanding, which is very helpful in Ayurveda. Picture an Ayurvedic doctor who talks gently with the patients, listens carefully to their health problems, and makes a detailed and step-by-step healing plan. The doctor's peaceful manner makes the patients feel relaxed, and their step-by-step plan ensures they get the right treatment. By listening and understanding patients that they are being heard and understood, making the bond between doctor and patient stronger. This bond is key to good healing in Ayurveda. So that's it. The 5 parts of the brain and the DISC personality both are very important for doing well in any job that needs a deep understanding and caring about others. It's very important to know that each kid is special and has built-in skills that are ready to be found. We can understand this better with a DMIT report. So why wait? Start finding out your kids' talents today. Get a DMIT report and find out how talented they are. Who knows? The next big name in Ayurveda could be living in your house.